Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the photo in a resume template on Canva. So here I've already opened the Canva apps. Here I've already searched for the resume templates. And if you wonder how you can change the photo, you can see now that the photo is like Canva provides you with the resume with photos, but you can always change it with your own photo. And here what you need to do is just choose the templates that you want to use first. For example, I'm going to use these templates right here. Okay, so after this, to change the photo, just click on the photo in the template. You can see there is a replace option at the bottom. Click on that. So after that, you just need to upload your photo. You can go to upload, or you can just use gallery here and find the photo. If you already uploaded, click on the upload, but if you want to upload directly from your gallery, just click on gallery. So in this case, I'm going to just use from Canva as an example. Okay, I'm going to choose a formal photo. Then, for example, this one. After this, you can see now the photo will be changed into the picture that I chose before. And that's very simple. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.